Welcome to Maseno University, a leading institution of higher learning in Kenya. Located along the equator in the picturesque Nyanza region, Maseno University blends academic excellence with natural beauty. Join us as we explore its rich history, vibrant academic programs, and breathtaking scenery. Maseno University was established in 1991 as a full-fledged public university. However, its roots trace back to 1906 when it began as a mission school. Over the decades, it has grown into a dynamic institution offering diverse academic programs. Today, Maseno is renowned for its commitment to quality education and innovative research. The university offers a wide range of undergraduate, postgraduate, and doctoral programs, from the School of Medicine, School of Business and Economics, to the School of Arts and Social Sciences. Students have the opportunity to pursue their passions under the guidance of experienced faculty. Specialized programs like computer science, hospitality and tourism, environmental studies, and agricultural sciences also stand out. Maseno University's dedication to academic excellence ensures that its graduates are well prepared for the competitive global job market. Nature lovers will find Maseno's environment captivating. The university's main campus, surrounded by the rolling hills of western Kenya, offers serene study spots and picturesque views. A walk through the grounds reveals well-maintained gardens, shaded study areas, and iconic landmarks like the Administration Block and the Equator Monument that runs right through the campus. Maseno University is equipped with modern learning facilities, including a vast library with both physical and digital resources. For those who love sports, the university has state-of-the-art sports complexes, football fields, and recreational facilities. Students also enjoy vibrant campus life with numerous clubs, societies, and cultural events. In its commitment to expanding access to education, Maseno University established the campus, a pioneer in online learning in East Africa. Through this platform, students can pursue their studies remotely, accessing lectures, course materials, and assessments from the comfort of their homes. The campus has opened up opportunities for working professionals and international learners seeking flexible study options. The university's prestige is evident in the success of its alumni, who have made significant contributions in fields like medicine, business, technology, and public service. Each graduation ceremony at Maseno University is a celebration of academic achievement and the beginning of a new chapter for its graduates. From its rich history to its commitment to academic excellence and innovation, Maseno University stands as a beacon of knowledge and growth. Whether you're seeking quality education, a vibrant learning environment, or opportunities for personal development, Maseno University welcomes you to be part of its legacy.